Guys, it's Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, very firstly I want to apologize you guys because I was out for 20 days, like literally whole 20 days. I haven't filmed any video before also so that I could just post because I was busy with the wedding season and everything. And then later on I went for my sister's ring ceremony, and then later on I went for 10-day vacation. So it was an super amazing trip, but yeah, it took a long time. So here I am. When I went, it was so cold that my whole skin got super dry. Here I am showing you guys that what is my winter skincare routine. I'm just following this routine from this winter, and it has been more than 20 days then I'm using the products, and it works great for my skin. So I thought that why not do a video for you guys so you guys can also do a skincare routine. What all products I'm going to use, I'll just leave the link in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. And yes, without blabbering much, let's get into the video. I'll be telling you guys how to apply skincare properly, like how to apply all the products step by step and what quantity you have to apply. I'll just tell you guys everything, so please grab whatever you want, take your tea, take your coffee, and just sit down because this video is going to be normal to medium video, like not super long. So yeah, let's get started. We'll just move with the first step, and the first step of the skincare routine will be a cleanser. So why we use a cleanser? A cleanser is used to just clear out the impurities on your skin, the pollution, the dirt, the gunk, whichever is just stick on the skin. It will just clear out everything. Also, a cleanser clears your makeup and it gives you a super fresh face. For the cleanser I use Himalayas face wash. It is a good cleanser and it is super affordable also. And the another one which I'm going to use today is Himalayas refreshing cleansing milk. Is a cleansing milk, so it is very mild on the skin. It is for all types of the skin. What you have to do is you have to just take on a cotton pad and just pour few drops on the cotton pad and just wipe it off all over your face, and this will make your face very nice and moisturized. It also doesn't make your face more drying, so that is a great thing. So you guys can take whatever you have, a cotton pad or anything. I have cotton with me right now, so I'm just going to take the cotton. This much amount of cotton is okay. So I just took this much amount of the product, and now I'm just going to wipe it all over my face. And you guys can see it has made my face so clear, and I'm not kidding, it feels super soft. And I have washed my face and pat dried it, and you guys can see it is looking so fresh and so plumpy. Now we'll move with the second step, and the second step of the skincare routine is a toner. So a toner is really very important for the skin. It instantly brightens your skin. It makes your skin look more refreshed. A toner also maintains the pH level of the skin. It tightens your pores and it just gives you a super refreshed skin. For the toner, I have two options with me right now. The first one is everyone's favorite, which is Kama Ayurveda's Pure Rose Water. It is a face and a body mist. It is really very nice. You have to just spread it all over your face. It just makes you feel so refreshed. And the another toner I have is Biotic Bio Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner. It is a pore tightening toner. I have just told you guys in my Nykaa's video that it just gives me a tingling sensation over here, but when I used few trials, it just made my skin super nice. And yes, it tightens your pores, but you have to be patient. You have to use it very well, like day and night, and yeah, it works like magic. It is also a great option, and both the toners are very inexpensive, so you guys can just try. For this I will suggest that please patch test over here and then go further if you have sensitive skin. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use this toner. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake it and I am just going to spritz it all over my face. Wow, you have to just pat in, that's it. So you guys can see how nice and refreshed my face is looking. My face is looking right now, and it is feeling super soft and super bright. Guys, moving with the third step. The third step will be a serum. Now a serum is important for the skin, but if you guys don't have a serum, you guys can directly skip the serum option and you guys can move with the moisturizer. That is totally fine, but doing a skincare routine, a serum is really must for your face. So why a serum is important? A serum is important so it can help your damaged skin. It can help in uneven skin tone and it gives you a very nice even skin. It also helps in hyperpigmentation if you have any on your face. It also helps in anti-aging. It helps in fine lines, like reducing fine lines on your eyes or near this area. And a serum is really very important. It also gives you a very nice healthy glow. Also, if you are doing makeup, then a serum will be a great base for a dewy makeup look. So yeah, for the serum I have few options. The first option which I'll be talking about is Myoho Pure by Priyanka Glow Face Serum. It is very nice and the texture of the serum is super like flowy. It is not greasy at all. I'll just show you guys. Guys, it smells amazing. It smells full of saffron. Wow, what a product. It is a really nice serum. You have to just use it rigorously in your day and night skincare routine and you will get that very nice flawless skin. So I am just going to take this much of the serum and I am just going to it is almost 3 to 4 drops, and yes, I'm just going to pat the serum in. And you guys can see that glow. Guys, the another two serums which I have is Pure by Priyanka's Vitamin C Serum. And the another serum which I have and which I use sometimes, which is the Good Vibes Rosehip Radiant Face Glow Serum. Guys, the vitamin C serum is for oily, normal and combination skin. This serum, this vitamin C serum also works really nice. You guys just need to put few drops on your face and just pat it in and just top it up with sunscreen and you're good to go. This is also great for the skin. And the Good Vibe Rosehip Serum is also very nice. I just use this serum before my makeup and the makeup just glides very nicely. So yeah, you guys can just try any of this product. I'll just leave the link in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. So guys, after the serum, the fourth step will be an eye cream. It is totally optional, but if you are feeling that your eye is more puffy, or if you are feeling stress, or if you didn't had a sleep properly, then an eye cream is totally a must. If you don't use in your daytime routine, you guys can always use in your nighttime routine twice or thrice a week. It's up to you. So for the eye cream, I'm going to use Biotics Advanced Ayurvedic Bioseed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. Firstly, I just want to tell you guys that it is an eye gel and not an eye cream, and it helps in revitalizing and it helps in anti-fatigue. Basically, it just makes your puffiness very light and it just calms your eyes. It just keep your eyes really very calming. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I'll just show you guys the product. This is how it looks. Guys, it is a very cute tub, and I'll show you guys how it looks. You guys can see it has a very gel consistency. I'm just going to take this much amount of the gel. With the ring finger only, I'm just going to pat the product under my eye. Guys, apply the eye cream with the ring finger only, so it is the lightest, and the pressure which it will give will be super light. And then just massage all over your eye. The another option for the under eye cream will be an almond oil, because almond oil reduces the dark circles and it helps in lightens the dark circles. So that is also a good option. You guys can just use a little amount of the almond oil under your eye and just pat it and massage it all over your eye. The another option which I have is bio oil, and I just lost the cap. I don't know where I have kept, and just take a little amount of the oil because it is non-oily. So you guys can see it is super light. It is also a great option for your under eye because it helps in reducing the scars and pigmentation. It is great for your under eye. So yeah, this is also a one option for you guys to try it out. So guys, after the under eye gel, we are moving with the fifth step will be a moisturizer. So moisturizer is really important to hydrate your face. It just gives you a very nice glow and it just keeps your skin hydrated for super long. Moisturizer also helps with the dryness on your face, so a moisturizer is really important. So yeah, for the moisturizer I have Face Shop Mango Seed Silk Moisturizing Emulsion. This is the moisturizer. This is my go-to moisturizer. People who are watching my videos from the starting know that I use this moisturizer daily. Like, I use this moisturizer for my face and it works very nice. It is so hydrating that it stays for the longest time. You guys can see it is super hydrating. And yes, I'm just going to take 2 to 3 pumps and that's it. I have just took this much amount of moisturizer and I'm just going to pat. Guys, after moisturizer, you guys can just do a 1 or 2 minute massage on your face. So the another option for the moisturizer will be a baby oil, which is from Johnson's. It is the Johnson's baby oil with vitamin E. We all know this baby oil since we were kids. So yeah, this is also very gentle on the skin. So if you're not applying moisturizer, then you guys can just take 2 to 3 drops of this oil and then just pat it on your face and just massage it into your face, and it will also hydrate your face and it will make your face super nice and hydrated. A very important step is remaining, and that is a sunscreen. A sunscreen is really important for your face. It just blocks the harmful rays from the sun which just damage your skin. Here to talk about the sunscreen which I am using currently. I was not using sunscreen, I was just using the Neutrogena sunscreen, that also not very frequent. I used it sometimes only, but now we are doing so much that we need to take care of our skin. And for the sunscreen, I have this Pure by Priyanka's Sunkissed Mineralized Sunscreen. This is the sunscreen I am using currently, and it is a really nice sunscreen. It has shea butter, blueberry extract, carrot seed oil, vitamin A, sea buckthorn oil, which all the ingredients are great for the skin. So we are just going to apply. I'll show you guys the consistency of the sunscreen. It is super thick and you guys can see I have used it quite. So yeah, I'm just going to take it. And yes, I am just going to apply. The sunscreen looks thick, but it just glides very smoothly on your face and it doesn't leave any white scar, which most of the sunscreen does. You guys can see the skin is looking so nice. Main thing I forgot to mention, that the sunscreen has SPF 30 in it. Works great for your skin. Last but not the least will be the lip balm, which is really very important for the lips, so your lips doesn't get dry or chapped. And the lip balm which I'm going to use is everyone's favorite, which is Laneige Lip Slipping Mask. This is the consistency of the balm. So yeah, this was it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this whole informative skincare routine, that what all things I use, products which I use are suitable for my skin type. So if you are going to purchase the product, then please patch test and then just go, because what suits for me doesn't suit for you. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this and you guys will do a great skincare routine for your skin, because we need to take care of the skin. And yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when the new video comes. And yeah, see you.